Hey guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, we are going to use Excel to do this subtraction, division and multiplication, okay, by using the Excel of various multiple numerical figures, okay, and that make you a easy calculation. Okay, so let's get started. So see, in the Excel, we are talking about the subtraction first. If we have 1000 over here and you have 500 over here, 5000 over here. Let's talk about this. You want to do a subtraction from 5000, you need to subtract 1000. How we can do that one? Just click equals to, select 5000. Okay, you can see in this bracket the C3 cell is selected. Now just click over here, press minus and select the amount which you want to subtract from that. Just click on this and press enter. You can see 4000 is your result. Okay, now let's consider you have a very random number which is very big number and you are looking, you cannot see this number properly, so you can just go here. Okay, select this particular line of the particular column, click on that, just get it make it selected and just stretch down. So you can see this number is look like this, but you want to look like this. So what you can see is, just select this particular cell, go here and then go to more number formats and then you just go in number, okay, and click OK. So you can see now you are able to see the whole number. Okay, now you want to minus some sort of amount, okay, from that. Okay, so again I am just the another way to just see this particular total row. Just go here and double click on this. Okay, but it's not doing because it is in this particular format. So select this first, go here, okay, more number format and click on a number and click OK. Now you can see it get automatically in that particular figure. Okay, now I want to just remove this particular space. What I'll do, I just click on it. You can see that the space is removed. Now I want to do a subtraction. Just click equals to, I want to subtract this figure from this figure. Okay, this is your answer. Correct? So this is a particular way to do the subtraction in Excel. Now if we talk about how to do a multiplication, okay, now you have a very random number and you need to multiply this with 12. So how you can do that one? Just press equals to the number multiply by this particular number. Okay, equals to, you can see this is your answer. Okay, now you want to divide this particular number with this 12. So how you can do that one? Just go here, equals to this divided by this. So you can see now you got your division. So this is the easiest way to understand the use of the Excel to do a subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, so this is one of the best way to do these things. Now there are multiple ways to do these things in for different use. Like you have a random data, just consider 10, 15, like any random data is with you. Okay, right, and now you want to divide all these parameter. Okay, now you want to divide all these parameter, okay, by 10. How you can do that one? Instantly. So here just write 10 first. Okay, select, go to that particular cell and right click, copy that one. Then select the whole area which you want to get divide by 10. Select it, then right click and go to the paste special. In this area, okay, just click on a paste special. You can see it is asking you that do you want to divide all these figures by 10? So you need to go to the divide. Just select the divide and click on OK. You can see it get divided by 10. Now I want to multiply this whole figure by 5. How can I do that one? Instantly. Just select this, right click, copy, select the area which you want to get multiply with 5, right click on that, paste special, and here you can see multiply. Just click OK. Right? Now I want to do a subtraction of 50 from whole this term. How I can do that one? Select, right click, copy, select the area, right click, go to the page special and you can see subtract, and okay, you can see the subtraction is done. Now I want to add 100 in that. Okay, how can do that one? Again the same procedure, select, right click, copy, select all the area, right click, go to the page special, and here you can see the add and click on OK. So this is one of the best way to understand Excel, right? So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and don't forget to watch till the end. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.